Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, December 2nd. This is my recap of the top videos of the day. And the Euro US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on the Euro dollar for this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course all included for only $30 per month. So we had a pretty decent little push down today on the euro dollar. Definitely still in a pretty significant range. All the higher time frames are down, so keep in mind that this actually could be what happens. Now, because of correlated pairs and looking at the dollar and other stuff like that, I still think that this is likely possibly a one, that this is like an uptrend right here, and that this is actually part of a crescent to that uptrend, like a wave B, or maybe this is a wave one and this is a wave two. I think there's a pretty good chance we'll either get a push up and break structure for a wave C, maybe rejecting structure and continuing the downtrend for a wave C, or possibly this really is going to go up and make a wave 3, which will break structure and just keep on going. Like I said, be a little bit careful about going long because all the time frames are definitely still in a downtrend, and this move down to me looks like it's only a wave A of an ABC of wave B. So definitely be careful with your longs still because the trend is down and the trend is your friend for sure. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.